In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links to your Reddit profile. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your other social profiles are clearly visible on your Reddit page. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or in the Reddit app. Once you're signed in, start by going to your profile. You can do this by looking towards the top of the screen for your username or avatar, and selecting it. From the small menu that appears, choose the option that says Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, the one other Reddit users see when they click on your name. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings area. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, this might appear as a More option, a gear icon, or a button labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open up the section where you can adjust how your account and profile behave. Inside Settings, you'll usually see several categories. What you want to focus on is anything related specifically to your profile. If you're not already there, click on Profile within the settings. This is where you can customize how your profile appears to others, including things like your profile description, banner image, and of course your social links. Now that you're in the profile settings area, look for the section labeled Social Links. This is the place where Reddit lets you connect your other platforms such as social networks, video channels,